Hey guys, I was about to cook this magret de canard, this beautiful duck breast that I got for dinner or later today, and I figured I would document it and post it to Instagram. Basically, I got this magret de canard, beautiful duck breast, and I have scored it just going one direction. What this is gonna do is gonna help render out all of the fat, and also when we cut it, we're gonna cut it along these scored marks so that we'll have just beautiful, manageable pieces afterwards. But basically, it's really done to render out the fat and to get this skin super crispy. So we're gonna go ahead now and place it skin side down into a medium heat skillet. I use cast iron. I think this is definitely the way to go. So we don't need any fat in the pan because the skin of the duck is basically all fat. You can see how quickly it's rendering. So we're gonna leave this in here for maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes on this side, and then we're gonna flip it over to the other side just to get some color. And then we're going to finish it off in the water bath, cooking it sous vide. Alright, these are just about ready to flip. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous color. Okay, we're gonna put them on the plate, let them chill out for a minute, and then turn off the heat, but reserve this ridiculously flavor-packed duck fat because we're gonna spoon that in the bag to cook along with these beautiful duck breasts. I love the flavor of duck. It's super complex, rich, delicious. It goes well with so many amazing spices and fruit and all kinds of wonderful things. I mean, even chocolate with duck is wonderful. Here we go. In the water bath, 58 degrees. We're gonna cook this for an hour and a half. So the idea is that the water is heated to the temperature that you want the protein, the vegetable, the fish, the fruit, whatever you want, cooked at. So timing and temperature. Temperature and time is really the basis to any cooking, and sous vide being one of them. So that was cool. I'm having fun. We have an hour and a half to kill, so what are we gonna do? Wanna say hi?
Yes.
Daddy's making some duck. You excited?
Yes.
You like duck?
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna cut the bag open and we're gonna sear. This would be a post-sear the side of the duck with the skin on it. Ooh, that is beautiful. We got more cooked here, which is okay. This is really just the spices kind of creating a crust on the skin. So we'll see, the texture looks beautiful. We'll baste them for a minute. I have mise en place ready for the garnish. And we are ready to cut the duck. Here we are. Perfectly cooked. Edge to edge. Insane coloration. Alright, so I did a little plating. The duck breasts with pears, radish, sprouts, cucumber. Can't wait to taste this. Here we go. All right, people. Looks pretty good. I don't consider myself to be good at plating, so, but it's fun. All right, let's taste this. Duck. Whoa. Mm. Wow. Mm. Mm. Very good. Mm. Total rookie mistake. Beautiful, just pure salt, but just the like fleur de sel, the beautiful crystals. Mm. The texture of the duck is so all right. So I did this last week, and I think it was better. But this is supremely delicious. This is just different. And it has to do with the way I finished the sear in the pan.